Hey guys, so welcome to the first video of this tutorial series, and I'm in this video we are going to look at the OrderedDict of the collection module. Now let me tell you something important. OrderedDict, actually the dictionaries when introduced in Python, they actually does not actually remembers the order. They does not remember the order in which the key and value pairs are inserted in them. Okay. So OrderedDict is used if we want that our dictionary must iterate through the values in the order in which the key values pair are inserted. Then we must use the OrderedDict. Okay, from the collection module. Let me show you. Import. Okay, wait. From collections. Import. Okay, OrderedDict. Okay, so we just imported the OrderedDict. Okay, and now let me create now how we create an ordered dictionary in Python. Just first name your dictionary. My dictionary name is MyDict, and I'm going to use, okay, I'm sorry, actually I don't remember the the case. Python is case sensitive. Sometimes it happens. It's okay, not a problem. Okay, so MyDict, we created this order dictionary. Then now we are going to actually add some values to our dictionary, and we are going to remember the order. Okay, so MyDict, let's take first value is A. We are going to map this A with 1. That is, we just inserted a key value pair. A is the key, 1 is the value, and I'm going to do this a couple more time. This time 2, and our key is B, of course. Let's take it as B. Once more, just this is the last. So our value is 3, and this is C. Okay, so now let's print our dictionary. Print MyDict. Okay, so as you can see, this is our OrderedDict. This is our OrderedDict, and we have A1, B2, and C3. Okay, so A1, B2, C3, as you can see that the order is preserved. That is, we first inserted A1, then B2, then C3, and in the same way we has A1, B2, C3. Okay, we can also do this. What we can do from for x in for x in MyDict dot let's take the values. Okay, take the values. Sorry, print caps lock, print x. Okay, so as you can see that first it's printed 1, then 2, then 3. That simply shows that the order is preserved. So whenever we want to create a dictionary with the order in which we add the key and value pair preserved, we must use the OrderedDict of the collection module. It is as simple as it is. I don't want to confuse you, just see, it's like this. Okay, one more thing, one very important thing that I want to tell you here. Actually, I'm using the Python 3.8. okay, I'm using the Python version 3.8, and from Python version 3.7, this feature of remembering the order is actually applied to added to the regular dictionaries also. That is the regular dictionary that we create in Python, the regular dictionary without using the OrderedDict. They, before the 3.7 version of the Python, they are like that. They don't remember the order in which the key value pairs are inserted in the Python. But after from 3.7, Python has made this default. That is, they added this feature of remembering the order of the insertion of the key value pair, the default thing in the regular dictionary. So you can say that order dictionaries, OrderedDict are actually useless. Now they are useless. If you are using 3.7 or above, they are not of use because your regular dictionaries are doing that thing also. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.